and good day. My name is Jürgen Steinmetz from eTurboNews, and this is a breaking news update. For more news updates and shows, please go to youtube.com/travelnewsgroup, youtube.com/travelnewsgroup. Here's our update.
Delta CEO, 8,000 airline employees tested positive for COVID-19. The fact that approximately 11% of the airline's workforce tested positive for COVID-19 contributed to the cancellation of thousands of flights across the U.S. during the holiday season, Bastian said. During an interview on Thursday, Delta Airlines CEO Ed Bastian revealed the numbers of airline staff who have contracted the COVID-19 virus. According to Bastian, 8,000 of Delta Airlines' 75,000 employees have tested positive for COVID-19 in the past 4 weeks. The fact that approximately 11% of the airline's workforce tested positive for COVID-19 contributed to the cancellation of thousands of flights across the U.S. during the holiday season, Bastian said. The CEO also predicted losses for the airline for the first quarter of the year due to the unpredictability of COVID-19 and new fast-spreading strains like Omicron. Bastian said, however, that the situation is beginning to steady, and no sick absences have evolved into anything more serious. There were no significant health issues that we were seeing from it, but it knocked them out of the operation for a period of time at the same time that we had the busiest travel that we have seen in 2 years, he said. He later added only 1% of flights have been cancelled by the airline in the past week. Delta Airlines was one of multiple airlines that cancelled flights over the holiday season, as it struggled to comply with COVID-19 health guidelines. Mass cancellations stemming from COVID-19 and severe winter storms caused Delta to report $408 million Australian dollars loss for the final quarter of 2021. In December, Bastian co-signed a letter requesting that the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) shorten its isolation recommendation from 10 days to 5 days to help with staffing shortages, a move criticized by the Association of Flight Attendants. A few days later, the recommendation was shortened to 5 days of isolation after a positive COVID-19 test, if asymptomatic. United Airlines CEO Scott Kirby also announced 3,000 positive COVID-19 infections among the airline's 70,000 staff earlier this week, forcing reduced schedules for the company.
Thank you for listening to our news update. There's more on youtube.com/travelnewsgroup, or you can read us, of course, in going to our news portal at eTurboNews.com or travelnews.online.